Well, here we are cleaning up this evaporator that is so dirty. I never seen anything like it in the past 30 years. I just need to get the air circulating through the evaporator because everything else seems to be working fine, but there was no air going through. So always make sure that the air is actually flowing through the evaporator, because without that, it's not gonna flow. It's not gonna work at all. Okay, a little while ago, we weren't able to see any white at all. This entire thing was black. It was entirely clogged completely. The air could flow through. So we actually put some of this Viper coil cleaner. Seems to be working pretty good because that area over there seems kind of clean. Well, not completely, but it's getting there. And let's give it another and see what happens. Every time you need something to pull, make sure your condenser and your evaporator is completely clean and unclogged and the air can actually flow through. All right, time for evaporator denture cleansing. Whoa. There you go.